It's cold, but it's beautiful, very sunny. Going out into my backyard, middle of winter. Here's my beautiful pergola. And I like to sit here in the summertime when this beautiful wisteria is covered with leaves. And I need to work on my little rock garden. You can barely see the rocks. One of them says harmony, and the other one says peace. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, it's chilly, so I'm going back inside. Well, it was nice to get some fresh air, but now I'm back inside where it's warm and cozy. And I'm so excited today because I'm going to be unboxing some supplies that I purchased from a company called Beadpark. They contacted me a few weeks ago and asked me to do a review of their products. So I went on their website and took a look and found some beautiful beads, and I can't wait to show you. So let me turn my camera around. I'll go get the package and we'll sit down and we'll unbox it together. Before I open up the shipment, I just wanted to give you a quick peek at their website. Here's the Beadpark website. As you can see, there's a really cute message up there about the holiday, the Chinese Spring Festival holiday, which is between the 23rd and 29th of January, and that the orders may be delayed due to that holiday. But then here's the navigation over here: jewelry, beads, jewelry findings, beading supplies, stringing materials. They even have jewelry and watches already, you know, finished jewelry, hair accessories and findings, and sewing and knitting supplies as well. So yeah, it's a pretty cute website, very easy to navigate, as you can see. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the items that I bought. Here's the envelope, and I've already cut it open. Let me go ahead and take out the contents. All right, and here are the two bags full of beads, gemstones mostly. Here are the contents of the first bag, and let me go ahead and go through each one. All right, so the first one is a strand of natural amazonite faceted beads in a teardrop shape. Very, very pretty, as you can see. There's a lot of variation in color. And each one of these is about 18 by 13 millimeters, and they're about 6 millimeters thick. So yeah, these are really nice. Let me bring them up closer so you can take a look. Very, very shiny, as you can see. And this strand cost $5.11. So it was a pretty good deal. I love these. They're a very nice shape, and they would look really gorgeous in a necklace. So anyway, that's the first item. Let me go ahead and bring out the next one. All right, so here's the next item, and this is 100 pieces of faceted cube beads. And the cubes are about I think they're 4 by 4 millimeters. Yeah, they're 4 by 4 millimeters. Let me pull some out so you can take a look. Very sparkly. And I'm not sure of the color, but it looks like a rainbow iris color. So they look green from some angles and pink from others. So yeah, these are very, very beautiful. I love them, and I love the shape of them. Let me bring it up closer so you can take a look. So anyway, there were 100 beads in this packet, and it cost $7.87. Not bad at all. And these would go really well with the amazonite. All right, let me bring out the next item. Here's the next item. And these are beautiful antique silver, Tibetan silver alloy flower beads, spacer beads. And who doesn't need spacer beads? I use them all the time, and these are gorgeous. They're about 5.5 millimeters in diameter, and they're about 3 millimeters thick. And the description says that they're lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free as well. So yeah, these are gorgeous. Antique silver. There are 200 pieces in this bag. and it cost me $1.41. So that was a really good deal. And I love the little flower design. It is gorgeous, just adorable. Very versatile. These will go with any design, really. Beautiful. All right, let me bring out the next item. Okay, the next item is 2 strands of faceted natural amazonite beads, and each strand is 15.7 inches. And as you can see, there are loads of colors in these. They're gorgeous. You can even see a little bit of rosy color there. Rose and mustardy color, greenish colors, blue, light blue, dark blue, gray tones. Very, very pretty. So these are faceted, and it's that star cut round bead. I don't know if you're familiar with the star cut. It's a little bit different than your other faceted cuts, but I like it because each facet is a lot bigger, so it seems to capture a lot more light. It's very sparkly. So anyway, these are 6 by 5 millimeters. They're not exactly round, 6 by 5 millimeters. And there are 61 pieces in each strand, and there are 2 strands. And for the 2 strands, I paid $5.48. Very beautiful. Here's the last item. These are natural amazonite beads as well. And these are actually 5 strands. 5 strands for $7.65. And the beads are between 8 and 8.5 millimeters. Faceted, but it's that very soft facet. The edges are not very sharp. But anyway, they're just as beautiful as the other beads with a lot of variation in color, which is what I was looking for because I wanted to team them up in a necklace. So these are perfect. Let me just bring the smaller ones out so you can take a look at how good they look together. All right, so these are perfectly matched, and even the teardrop beads match pretty well as well. So I am looking forward to coming up with a necklace with these beautiful beads. I thought this was a good buy for 5 strands, $7.65. The holes are pretty nice as well. The quality is pretty good. So anyway, guys, that's the shipment from Beadpark. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please go check out their website. They've got some really great deals. And like I said, you know, it's easy to navigate, easy to find things. And they have a lot to choose from. They have gemstones, they have metal beads, they have crystals, glass beads. So yeah, go check them out. And anyway, I'm going to put together another video with a tutorial showing you the necklace that I'm going to make with these. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again. So thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye.